Every mirror in your life keeps asking who you are, and you keep trying to answer with a mask or a memoir. You build yourself from fragments of attention and applause, a highlight reel of moments stitched with carefully made flaws. You guard your image like a fortress made of glass. One insult feels like dynamite, one truth you can't surpass. You think the world is watching every step you take, but most of them are drowning in their own internal quake. That voice that screams defend whenever doubt breaks through is just the ego trembling, terrified of losing you. The ego is an engine running loud just to survive, burning fuel of validation just to feel a bit alive. You think it keeps you safe, but it's a cage you can't outrun. You'll only find your true self when you shut the ego's engine down. You chase perfection like a contract you were forced to sign, performing for the crowd while neglecting your own mind. You polish every weakness till it looks like strength instead, but you never feel the freedom of a thought that's truly said. You treat opinions like they're laws carved in stone, terrified that someone sees a crack you didn't know. But the people who love deeply never need to wear a crown. Their worth is in their presence, not the version they've written down. Let go of being somebody, and you'll finally understand your value never lived inside the praise of any man. The ego is an engine running loud just to survive, burning fuel of validation just to feel a bit alive. You think it keeps you safe, but it's a cage you can't outrun. You'll only find your true self when you shut the ego's engine down. What if you stop pretending? What if you drop the show? What if being ordinary was the greatest way to grow? What if you didn't need approval just to breathe or just to be? Humility is not surrender.